Matthew, are you on Jackson's four-wheeler? Hey, Matthew, say hi. Hi. Do you like Jackson's four-wheeler? Look at him turning it. Push it down. Push it down. Whoa. Well, you gotta hold on with both hands.
Good.
Whoa. Are you gonna go in a circle?
Good job, Speedy.
Hold on. Oh my God. Oh my God, that was so funny. Careful, careful, careful. Don't crash.
Ready?